A popular way for children to learn 3D design is through group workshops, in which a facilitator provides instruction and kids follow along at individual computers. Running these workshops can be challenging for several reasons. First, the instructor cannot see the students' individual screens, so it can be difficult to judge how well the instructions are being followed or whether some students are falling behind. Second, newcomers to 3D design often experience a similar set of challenges, such as not changing the 3D view for an extended period of time. This can lead to models that appear correct, but which have serious problems. We present Maestro, a data-driven workshop orchestration system for 3D design workshops in Tinkercad. Maestro uses real-time log data from software used by individual students to provide the facilitator a real-time picture of the entire workshop. To support follow-along tutorials, Maestro automatically detects when the instructor has demonstrated an action and provides a glanceable real-time indicators of which students have completed the step and which have not. Maestro also automatically identifies common challenges faced by individual students. For example, if a student hasn't changed the 3D viewport in a while, it is flagged on the instructor's dashboard. The facilitator can tap the indicator to send a reminder to the student. Likewise, if a student becomes distracted and stops working, Maestro indicates this on a dashboard and recommends a message to get their attention. We also include features to provide encouragement to students, for remotely indicating part of the screen, and for requesting that students help one another. We evaluated Maestro in a 1-hour workshop with 13 participants and an experienced Tinkercad workshop instructor. Our findings suggest that systems like Maestro can help workshop instructors to dynamically adjust the pace of group tutorials and to more effectively manage groups of students with varying levels of skill and ability.